Alright, I'm about to do an oil change on a Ford 1920. Your model might differ a little bit. This one has the front end loader. Not all of them do. The first thing we have to do is pull the hole plugs. This will have two, here and here. 17mm wrench should take care of it. I should have had a pan under there, but I didn't. While that's draining, I'm going to go ahead and remove the oil cap. Set this where it won't get lost. Let's go back and let it finish draining. I'm going to go ahead and put the plugs back in. Be sure not to over tighten. Then you've got an expensive problem. Also be careful not to cross thread. Don't be scared of it either, and leave it where it's not tight enough, and then the plug vibrates out. You run all the oil out, and you end up needing a new tractor. All right. Now, let me move this over, and we'll see about getting the oil filter. Now, some of these models have a panel that goes across here. This one's missing. It's supposed to have it. It's just not there. So normally you would remove that panel. If you don't have it, it makes it a heck of a lot easier.